Good afternoon. This time last week our focus was very much on grey skies and cloud for the week ahead. Quite a shift for the week coming up now. We should see a return of some skies like these. Yes, the sunshine back with us as high pressure returns. We're not quite there yet though. This is Saltburn by the sea just an hour or so ago, and you can see quite a lot of low cloud, and there's still some outbreaks of rain coming out of this cloud that sits across many eastern reaches of the UK at the moment. This is the tail end of that big area of low pressure that brought some heavier rain in through Saturday. It's pulling away into the continent now, but some of the showers trailing in its wake could still be pretty punchy through this afternoon, even on into the evening. But in contrast to yesterday, still so much more in the way of sunshine to be found out there, and as a result of the sunshine, a little more in the way of warmth. There are the showers into the late hours of Sunday. Monday morning, most of them gone. Some patchy cloud left roaming around across the UK. A little bit misty in one or two places as the winds fall light. Overnight lows 11 to 14 degrees. Here is that great big high stretching itself out across the UK though for Monday. That will mean light winds, essentially a dry story with just the possibility of enough cloud across the mountains of Scotland, I think, to give us a few showers come at the afternoon. Much more in the way of sunshine than many of us have seen for a fair few days now, and in that sunshine, the return of some warmth. Nothing too exceptional, but temperatures around average for the time of year. 23 for Glasgow and London come Monday afternoon. For Tuesday, the high still very much with us, centred up across the UK. Again, predominantly fine weather, light winds, some patchy cloud perhaps being fed in on a gentle easterly breeze off the North Sea into East Anglia and parts of the Midlands. But in the sunshine, for the majority, the temperatures again close to average values. We should see the mid-20s, I think, in one or two spots by the time we get into Tuesday. Glasgow, perhaps a favoured area. Slight shift in our high Wednesday into Thursday. It will still be with us, but you can kind of notice its centre drifts to the north of the UK. That allows us to pull in some air to the east of the UK off the North Sea, and perhaps a chillier northerly or northeasterly wind to set in. That could actually make for some quite big differences across eastern counties of England Wednesday into Thursday. Towards the west of the UK, winds still stay light. There should still be a lot of sunshine. In the east, more in the way of cloud around, maybe even the odd light shower, but it will be that wind off the North Sea, I think, that makes the biggest difference, and particularly to the way things will feel. 20 degrees there in Hull on Wednesday. Thursday, with thicker cloud, the wind off the sea, we could be looking at a temperature 3 or 4 degrees down, and that applies for many of our North Sea resorts as well. Further west, things continue with very much of a muchness. Temperatures high teens, low 20s. End of the week, the high still dominating, but you can see again it's just shifted its position a little bit. Perhaps we'll pull in more of an easterly airstream by Friday and on into next weekend. It looks like we'll still continue with a lot of fine weather, light winds and sunshine, but if we do manage to switch that wind round more to an easterly, again we could see those temperatures lifting up somewhat, and that will once again make the biggest difference, I think, along the North Sea coast.